Salam everybody, this is Investor Shake back at it again with another video. And today's halal stock pick of the week is Cleanspark, ticker symbol CLSK. Now, you may be wondering, didn't you already mention Cleanspark in a previous video? And I have, but this time I want to dedicate an entire video just about Cleanspark because I believe that there is a good buying opportunity for this stock. And as you can see here, the stock price is currently at $10.14. Now we have seen Cleanspark stock go up throughout the month of September, as we've seen the stock go up as high as $15 a share on September 21st. And then it went down to the 11s, and it was in the 12s until about October 6th when we noticed the dip. So it was in the $12, $13 range last week, and then it went as low as $9 a share. So I was picking up shares around October 8th when it was in the $9 to $10 range, because I believe that is a good price to pick up shares in my opinion. However, I don't know if it can go any lower. So what is to blame for this dip? Well, the culprit of this dip happens to be the fact that Cleanspark announced a closing of $40 million in an underwritten public offering. So they basically did a low-key stock offering, and they were selling shares on the down low until people found out about it. So it says here that the offering consisted of over 4.4 million shares of Cleanspark stock at a price of $9 per share, which sums up to $40 million. So the fact that that many shares have been sold at that price caused the stock price to plummet from $12 to $9. And this is one of these short-term fluctuations which can be pretty stressful for somebody who is afraid of volatility. However, I believe that this is a good opportunity to pick up shares at a pretty low price, especially if you can get it in the single digits, because I believe that this stock is capable of reaching the $15 level again and breaking beyond that. Now, I'm not going to give a price target, but I know for a fact this stock can go above $15 a share. I mean, you've already seen it in September. Although the stock price has fell as a result of this offering, you need to understand the bigger picture as to why this is happening. So according to the article, Cleanspark intends to use the net proceeds from the offering for working capital requirements. The growth of Cleanspark's sales and marketing team, product development, including software enhancements and improvements, and general corporate purposes and strategic mergers and acquisitions. So by selling their shares, they're getting a lot of capital, which they are reinvesting into their company, which is very brilliant. And you may understand that some stocks pay a dividend if they have excess cash flow, but a lot of growth stocks do not pay a dividend because the cash that they receive from their revenues is being used to reinvest the company to allow for future growth. That is what Tesla is doing, and so many other growth companies. And Cleanspark is a growth company by those standards. So in the short term, of course, you're going to see a decrease in the stock price, but you have to understand the long-term potential that Cleanspark has, because this company has yet to expand. They have yet to reach mass utilization. As a matter of fact, let's look at the finances for this stock. As you can see, Cleanspark currently has a market cap of $176 million. So this company isn't even a billion-dollar company. So you have to think about it. Based on its current market cap and its future potential, do you believe that this company is going to be worth a lot more than $176 million once we start to see the mass utilization of microgrid technology? Do you believe that this company can be a $300 million company, or a $600 million company, or a $1.2 billion company? You need to understand the bigger picture of this company and its potential. And in case you haven't noticed what Cleanspark is a company that is focused on providing microgrid software in an attempt to incorporate clean energy into the electrical grid. That way, we are utilizing clean energy such as electric generators, wind, solar, hydroelectric. Those alternative clean energy sources can be implemented into the microgrids by use of their software and hardware to provide electricity to a community without fully relying on electrical grids. And Cleanspark is considering doing some projects in Costa Rica. Let me pull up that article real quick. So this article in September 1st says Cleanspark announces microgrid software deployment in Costa Rica. So this is one of the projects that Cleanspark is focusing on by deploying their Impulse software on their microgrid project that they're having in Costa Rica. So this is going to be a pretty big deal. It says here the microgrid will consist of a 222 kilowatt PV solar system and a Tesla 111 kilowatt 223 kilowatt hour power pack provided by Cleanspark. So I don't know if this is this is actually a Tesla Cleanspark collaboration. If this goes well, this can be a pretty big thing if Tesla and Cleanspark work together, because Tesla is not just a car company. Not only are they also a tech company, they are an energy company as well, because they have the solar roofs and the solar power, and they're working with Cleanspark. So this can be a big thing moving forward if they expand beyond Costa Rica and throughout Central America. So this is a big deal. So this is something I would look forward to in the long term. We can see this company go so high if this is successful, and this also is implemented not only in Central America but North America as well, especially the United States. If we implement this, this will be big for Cleanspark moving forward. And Tesla. And I also believe that the microgrid technology is crucial for a place like Puerto Rico, which is experiencing a lot of power outages due to the damage of their electrical grids by hurricanes that have been passing through the island, which is very unfortunate. But if Puerto Rico implements microgrid technology, you better believe that Cleanspark is going to be in charge of that. Once they get their systems well established, you will see a major expansion of Cleanspark's microgrid technology throughout the North America and South Central America. So with that being said, I am long on Cleanspark. I'm also long on Tesla. And I believe that this stock is a good buy at the $9-10 range, because I believe that this stock can go up to the teens again. And we may no longer see the stock in the $9 to $10 range. So I would suggest picking up some shares if you possibly can. So, as always, I'm not a financial advisor. Do not purchase this stock because I'm talking about it. Please do your research, and if you believe in Cleanspark's future like I do, then I suggest you build a position in this company. This is Investor Shake. Long on Cleanspark, long on Tesla. Checking out yet again.